Okay, in this lab, we are going to practice getting our heart rate. Now, if you can put your hand out flat. If you remember, next to your thumb, moving up, you can feel a little bump here. This is your radius bone. Okay, now I'd like you to rotate your hand upside down so your palm is facing up. Now your radius would be over here, still next to your thumb. We practiced that in our bones unit. Okay, now right next to your radius, I want you to get two fingers and gently touch your radius, and I want you to slide in on your wrist a little bit and gently push down. You should be able to feel now your heartbeat. So I want you to practice finding your heartbeat. Now, what I'd like you to do once you have that is to get a stopwatch on your phone. And I would like you to get it ready. And I would like you to get your heart rate ready. And then on the count of 3, I kind of want you to hit start. And I want you to do it for 15 seconds about. And I want you to find out in 15 seconds how many times did your heart beat. Okay, now, since there are 15 seconds times 4 equals 1 minute, I want you to take that number that you just counted in 15 seconds and multiply it by 4. That would be your resting heart rate. So you're going to write that down in the data table in the lab. Okay, now, for the second part, I would like you to lay down and get your stopwatch handy. I would like you to take 10 deep breaths. I want you to imagine yourself in your favorite place on earth. I'd like you to imagine yourself with your favorite people on earth. And I want you to continue taking deep breaths. And then I want you to repeat that process and now calculate your heart rate for 15 seconds and multiply it by 4. Okay, for the third part of this lab, now I would like you to jog in place for 1 minute. So jog in place for 1 minute and then repeat this process a third time. Put your stopwatch on for 15 seconds and measure your heart rate now. Okay, now I'd like you to write a simple lab report for this, just telling me about what you found. Try to do the claim, evidence, reasoning. So we're just going to write a conclusion with the data table for this assignment. So show me your data with the data table and then write a claim, evidence, reasoning, conclusion. Just 3 sentences. And that is our heart rate lab.